Hi, Martin here. Today, I thought we would look at the basics of editing in iMovie on Mac. I'm starting iMovie here. And then I enter Projects and choose to create a new project. Press on Movie. And now we have a project here. The first thing I do is import video clips. Then I can either go directly into my folder with my video clips. Then I can drag a video clip down here directly onto the timeline, which allows me to start editing immediately. The other way is to simply import directly into the program. And I press the import button up here. Then I click on the video clips I want to import. I hold down Command on the keyboard to select multiple. And then I press Import Selected. And then my video clips end up here. As you can see, the first video clip here has an orange marking, and that's because it's the video clip that's down here on the timeline. Now I'm going to add more clips here, and then I can choose a part of a video clip by dragging at the beginning or the end. 3 seconds there, but I want my entire video clip, so I select everything, and then I position myself where I want the clip to end up. Now I can do it in several different ways. Either I press on the keyboard and hit E. I can also click on the plus sign here. And I can move and position a video clip down to the timeline, for example, to edit or review it. I minimize a bit here so we can see the whole thing. Then I continue to insert here. I press E. Like that. If I now wanted to, I can also shorten the clips down on the timeline by, just like up there, dragging. But I can also shorten a video clip by splitting it. And then I position myself where I want the video clip to start. Let's say there. Then I press Shift, Command, and S. And then I want the clip to end there. Let's say we have the keyboard shortcuts. But you can always use the mouse and the menu as well. Then I press here. Then we also see the shortcut. I press Split Clip. And then I remove what I don't want with the Delete key on the keyboard. And then we have my video clip here. And of course I can also change the order of the clips if I want. I can lift here then. And then we say that I want this here. And then I want to take this clip and place it there. If I change my mind, I press Command Z. And I can also undo here at the top under Edit. And then it's as it was from the beginning. I think I'll shorten a bit here too. There. Then to watch the movie, I press the spacebar. And then the movie plays. We say that I'm satisfied there. Then I want to export my finished film. I go to the Share button up here. And here I can choose to either export my film directly to YouTube or Facebook if I have my password saved. But I want my film directly on the computer's hard drive, so I choose File. And here we get a number of different options. Format, I want both video and sound audio on my movie project, so I choose that in my project. I also want to export in full HD because that's what I filmed in 1080p, and I prefer to ensure the best quality. Then under Quality, you choose what quality you want for the finished video file. The best quality is provided by the ProRes film format. ProRes is a professional format and is intended for masters for archiving. ProRes also results in very large video files. ProRes can be good to use if you plan to reuse the finished video file in future projects. But if you filmed with your mobile phone and plan to use the finished video file for viewing, then you can choose High here, and we will get an MPEG-4 file instead. Then we choose Compress. Better quality. Then the computer takes a little longer. But I choose that, so I press Next. And then I save the video file on my desktop. Press Save. And then the computer starts working here, processing the data. There we go. And then my video file has ended up on the desktop. Go back into the iMovie application. If I press the project button here, I can save my video project. And then it stays here and I can go back into it again and continue working or change something if I want. I close the software application iMovie. And then I watch my finished video file. It's that simple to get started and edit in iMovie. Feel free to share this video. Take care and we'll talk soon. Bye.